Hi everyone, happy Sunday. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my water garden. And a water garden is basically just a garden that you put in water. I use mason jars, so I'm using spinach. Here I'm just removing the leaves. You never want any leaves to go in the water because it'll make the water brown, and then it'll kind of be no good. I use sink water. It's important to make sure that you use water with no chlorine. You can use bottled water, alkaline water, whatever water you want. This is a pineapple that we've had for a couple weeks. As you can see, it's starting to sprout. Here we have another little piece of peppermint that we had. Down below, I am going to post a blog link that have further instructions. These are just more examples and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.